California, where a remarkable story of transformation unfolded at the Iron Mountain mine. This site was once a symbol of environmental degradation, but thanks to artificial intelligence, it's now a beacon of hope for mine reclamation. A collaborative effort was initiated to restore the Iron Mountain mine, bringing together environmental scientists, data experts, and AI specialists. They used artificial intelligence to monitor the environmental conditions meticulously. This involved tracking soil quality, water levels, and vegetation changes over time, providing a comprehensive picture of the area's ecosystem. However, the magic of AI doesn't stop at monitoring. The team harnessed the power of predictive modeling, a facet of AI, to forecast the outcomes of different reclamation strategies. By predicting what could happen under various scenarios, they could choose the most effective strategy, avoiding costly trial and error processes. The AI system didn't just predict, it optimized. It used machine learning to continually improve the reclamation plan, learning from each action taken and adjusting future recommendations based on the results. This dynamic approach ensured that the reclamation strategy stayed on the most effective path, even as conditions changed. The results? Nothing short of spectacular. The Iron Mountain mine has seen significant improvements in environmental conditions, with healthier soils, cleaner water, and thriving vegetation. This case study shows the potential of AI in restoring mined lands and mitigating the environmental impacts of mining. So, what are the key takeaways from our discussion today? Mining, while necessary, has significant environmental impacts. Effective closure and reclamation of mines is crucial to mitigate these effects. Enter AI, a promising tool in aiding reclamation efforts. It has shown its potential in the Iron Mountain Mine project, turning a once devastated land into a thriving ecosystem. With AI, we are not just predicting the future of mine reclamation, we are actively creating it.